Aussie dollar, daily forecast December 9th, fxempire.com. The Australian dollar had a rough day on Thursday as it shot straight up and then fell apart. The original move was in reaction to the EU announcement of a rate cut, something that the market desperately wanted. The initial reaction was short lived, though, as the statement was trumped by a news conference when Chairman Draghi gave afterwards. The lack of ECB commitment to buy bonds in Europe spooked the markets. So, because of that, the pair did fall. As it is a risk on currency when in the buy mode and risk off when in sell mode, it makes sense that this would sell off on the several rumors that came out in the afternoon during the session. As you can see, the daily candle is finishing towards the very bottom of the range, as it looks like the EU summit is producing more tension rather than unity. The gap from 2 weekends ago looks like it's calling, and if we are to close it, a failure to come to a widely accepted agreement out of Europe would be a very good catalyst for this to happen. If this does happen, we could head back to the 97 handle over the next several days. And in fact, depending on how bad the situation gets in Europe, it could be in a very short amount of time. The upside is somewhat limited, as 105 is massive resistance to us at this point in time, and the Aussie will react to market sentiment overall, and we think the odds are certainly stacked against the bullish case. However, this meeting can produce headline events and risks, so we think the real move would come after that announcement. In the meantime, it is possible that we will see a choppy environment where we have maybe a little bit of a downside bias. The breaking of the daily range on Thursday would get us short, as we do expect the gap to fill sooner or later, and it would make sense.